There's many ways to practice La Chi. Today, I would love if we could practice, this is one of the original ways La Chi was presented. We want to be able to have our hands actually like this. So instead of like this, center the palms parallel to each other. We're going to have the fingertips aligned to each other. And so when we open, of course, my hands are going to be lower, but to show the screen a little bit closer, here, as the mind expands, my palms separate. Of course, being led by the shoulders, the elbows, hands, wrists, and fingers. When my mind draws back inside, I come back again without touching. So, letting it come close without touching, okay? So I invite you to join me in this together. From here, we're going to do this several times, and then at a certain point, I'm going to ask us to open the palms, continue in this other form of La Chi, and then we will draw back inside. So together, when we're ready, again, we always want to be aware of our posture throughout any of our practices. If I say there's a foundation of open close, there's also a foundation of the physical body. We want to be in alignment. A couple of weeks ago, we did the different acupuncture points. So we want to be able to align these points, these energy gates. So again, Boho, top of the head, lifting upward, tuck the chin down and back, aligning the spine, tucking in lower abdomen, relaxing the waist. We raise Hui Yin, that's the space between the genitalia and the anus, a gentle lift inside. Now I want us to already align Hui Yin inside, the center of the body with Boho, top of the head. So an internal alignment. We relax the chest, allow a little bit of space between the ribs and the arms. Let the knees open to shoulder width, and we can feel our feet connected deep into the earth. From here, as we have adjusted the body, we want to try to maintain this posture so we don't sit too far forward or too far back. Let yourself find the center. And there's a term called tensegrity, which I won't go into details of it, but it's a beautiful idea. And tensegrity, when it is applied to our body, we want to feel as if the front of our body is expanding forward. At the same time, the back of our body is expanding back. And this forward and backward expansion is balancing each other. We also want to feel like the left side and right side of the body as we open. Again, the left side and the right side are balancing each other. So for most of us, we're pretty aware of the front of the body, but we want to start to develop our awareness of the back side of the body. So again, feeling the back side of the body being balanced by the front side. We also want to feel the expansion upward, at the same time feeling the expansion downward and feeling a balance in between. So as we maintain this body posture, from here, now we can look forward at a point in front of us. And this point will be yin tongue level between the eyebrows. So at that height, look at a point in front of you. This can be a point in space. It can be a point on an object or an imaginary point to the horizon. Keep the eyes open as long as you are able. Keep the physical eyes resting inside of the head. The center of the eyes are focused on this one point. And again, we soften the edges around this point. So do not name any objects. Remember, it is all Qi. This practice is called adjusting the mind, training your mind to focus on one point. Very good. From here, we draw our awareness inwardly as we gently close the eyes. Drawing all senses of the body and consciousness of mind into the center space of the head, the home of the mind. As you step inside, set aside all thoughts, all cares, all worries. Acknowledge your willingness to be here now. This is your training to be present in this moment, to fully accept as this moment comes. Not trying to change anything, not trying to control it. Simply be aware of it. From the center space of the head, the mind expands evenly in all directions. From deep inside to outside, integrating and harmonizing in oneness. Mind expands inside throughout the head, neck, chest, abdomen, penetrating the inner organs, pelvis, legs, feet, and toes. Mind expanding throughout the shoulders, arms, hands, and fingers. Entire body transforms into a Qi body. Bright, light, transparent, even, clear. From deep inside, the mind expands out even more, expanding and penetrating the space surrounding your body now. Notice the space around your body, a few feet in all directions. Notice the space surrounding your head, the space in front of your torso, the back. Notice the space to the sides of the torso, the space surrounding both arms. Notice the space surrounding the pelvis, both legs. Notice the space surrounding the feet, including the space underneath both feet. The space surrounding your body is called your body Qi field. This is also you. as you perceive the space surrounding your body, allow your physical body to relax inside of your body chi field. You can think of your body as an egg. The yellow part is the physical body. The white part is your body chi field, also you. The mind expands beyond your body chi field, penetrating, expanding out, now fully opening to external chi, the chi of nature. To expand, one must open the heart completely, becoming the heart of the universe. To fully open, one must open the mind completely, connecting to the infinite possibilities, the endless potential. The mind expands more and more, expanding as far as it can. In this spaciousness, you are the universe. Forget the physical. This is full expansion.